Hello, we are gathered here today for my bike check. This is my bike. It is black because I do not discriminate. We have tires and rims. These tires are demolition momentums, I think. Or machetes, that's what they are. This is a momentum. Now, I got an Odyssey Aerospace, I think, something rim with titanium spokes, and we got that profile mini front hub in purple. We got Walmart forks. They work real well. I actually don't know where they came from, but we're gonna go with Walmart. Then we got Sunday Freeze top load stem. Got it United something bars, I forgot. Got this compression bolt, you know, from Gilroy's, and got a Shoutout dust cap. Yeah, that's what it is. Then my bearings are, I think, Walmart and sealed cups. What do we got here? We got a fit frame. No clue what kind. It just says fit. So got some stickers on there. Got some Odyssey PC pedals. I like them. They're pretty good, but this one comes loose. We got premium. Oh gosh, I'm hitting on my phone. Got some premium cranks, you know, and fit sprocket or chain wheel. Something to say. Got that probably Walmart chain. I don't know. Nope, it can't. Wait, nope, it's Walmart. See that Z? Walmart.
Yeah, but there's a KFC piece there too.
No, there's pieces everywhere. It's something else.
It's custom.
Got some demolition seat, and yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot about my grips. These grips are brand new. Just bought them yesterday. Just kidding. But they're fit. Yeah, I wore out. Let's see. Back here we got a Odyssey something hub. Odyssey laced to an Odyssey. Used to be chrome, but spray painted black by somebody. Odyssey something or other rim. I think it's a hazard light. Oh. Bottom bracket, I have no clue. It's real dialed. I mean, it's real dialed. I'll do some tricks for you. Sometimes I can get 360. And that's Austin VanZee's bike check.